Do not buy from Rokid. This is a video I didn't really want to have to make, but the more I researched into this company, the more I realized they are very, very shady, full of false advertisement and so on. My distaste for Rokid started with my purchase of these glasses right here. So I purchased these glasses with the impression that it came with some specific features that Rokid advertised that they do it, but it turns out they didn't. The more I saw videos, the more I realized that the glasses doesn't have that, those features. So I reached out to try and cancel my order before it got shipped. Guess what? No response. And the next day, my order was shipped, which is kind of interesting and odd, right? But it turns out this is also a recurring pattern with Rokid. I was like, anyways, maybe I'll still enjoy the glasses. So whatever. I get the glasses and it doesn't have the features that I want. I'm having issues. It doesn't fit right. I reached out to Rokid. I did not get a response back until I sent another email. A week later, I finally got a response. When they responded to me, they kept making comparisons between themselves and Meta on why the glasses has these features and why it's amazing. They encouraged me to keep it. I said, no, thank you. I would like to have my refund. They then took another week or whatever to respond to me. They offered me $20 to keep the glasses. I still told them, no, thank you. I would not like to keep the glasses. They told me to add the straps to the back of the glasses to make it secure. I'm just like, no, I just want my money back. We kept going back and forth. They kept having me repeat the same questions, the same thing over and over. I was getting frustrated. All this comparison they keep making between themselves and Meta. When I had issues with Meta, within 3 days, I had a replacement. It was that fast. No issues with Meta at all. With Rokid, I had to wait a week to even get a response back. I had to go multiple times and they keep comparing themselves to Meta. No, your customer service is nothing near Meta's. They wanted me to keep the glasses so bad, but the more they did that, the more frustrated I got. I went to online to do some research and see what's going on, see if people are having the same issues. And it turns out a lot of people are having issues with Rokid's customer service. Not just consumers, but also YouTubers. Listen to this.
Do not buy anything from Rokid. They are untrustworthy. Let me show you why. I was
That's one
incredibly
video.
excited when the Rokid AI glasses style were released on January.
Stuff like this, what Rokid pulled off, is a little bit more sinister. If you already got an established company that hides key fact about a product, that's not really called a mistake. That's called a scam. I'm gonna take these off because I'm not kidding.
Okay, I'm glad you said that because I thought maybe I'm having these issues every now and then. Maybe one or two people are having these same issues, but it turns out this is a very reoccurring thing with Rokid. They are doing scams. I don't want to say scams, but I guess I have to say scams. They are shady. They have shady business practices. I highlighted the wrong specs that they put there. I highlighted their shipping return policies and they still kept giving me issues. So much so that I still haven't got my refund back. I had to escalate this situation with PayPal, now hoping I can get my money back. If not, then I'm going to escalate the whole situation with my bank account. But based on all my research on Reddit, on YouTube, I realized it's a very reoccurring pattern with Rokid. If you order something and they might not ship it right. You might order 1 day, 2 days goes, 3 days goes, no shipping, nothing. As soon as you reach out to cancel, they're gonna ship your order. Why? Why did it take so long for you to finally decide to ship it? And then when you do request a refund, they're gonna throw you to so many loops and then stop responding. They stopped responding to me last month. I've sent 7 emails since then. Altogether, I've sent about 13 or 14 emails back and forth with them, and they have finally stopped responding to me. Do not buy from Rokid. Sure, you could buy, if you really want a Rokid device, you could buy it on Amazon, which would be great because I love Amazon because the return policy is just, there is no questions asked. Maybe you might click a 2 button and you will return it. But here's the issue. What happens after 30 days if you buy from Rokid? If they can't even honor their own 30-day return policy, how will they honor a 1-year warranty. Unless you absolutely want the Rokid device, do not buy from Rokid. Do not buy a Rokid product. If you're gonna buy a Rokid product, make sure you do not buy it from them. Buy it off Amazon or Best Buy. Do not buy anything from Rokid, because I am telling you right now, you think you might be the only one that is gonna have that issue. I guarantee you there's about 50 or 100 other people that already has the same issues with you. If you don't believe me, just go on Reddit, go online, go on YouTube, and you will see that the entire philosophy is basically, we're gonna run you through loops till you give up. That's basically what it comes down to. Even the post that I made about 2 weeks ago, there were people in the comment section telling me that their order hadn't shipped and they reached out and then it finally shipped. That's when something is repeated multiple times, it is not a mistake. It is a scam. It is shady business. And these are the type of companies that I would not stand behind. A product can be good, but if the customer service is not good, then it just kills the product. The glasses themselves, they're not bad, but the customer service has given me such a distaste that I don't think I would ever buy a Rokid device again. If I do buy a Rokid device, it will be from Amazon. It will not be from Rokid. Even then, if I buy anything from Rokid, I will buy it off Amazon. I will use it, try it. If I like it, I will keep it. If I don't like it, I will quickly try and return it within that 30 days, because outside of that 30 days, there is no guarantee that Rokid will honor their warranty. Because I'm seeing all these videos now, I'm seeing all these things on Reddit, and I'm like, dang, I had no idea that they were this bad. So do yourself a favor, do not buy from Rokid. Thanks for watching.